side, not pressing main.
Hey there, CopCam family. We're back with one of the most intense and revealing videos we've ever showcased. Let's prepare ourselves to navigate this emotional journey together. Dawn had just broken on an ordinary day in Louisville, Kentucky. But as we all know, in the world of law enforcement, ordinary can flip to extraordinary in just a heartbeat. Little did anyone know, Louisville was about to face a crisis.
Pull up, 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 pull up. Pull up, pull up, go, 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 go. Stop right here. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Get me up here. Stop, right there. Stop. Open the trunk.
113 Baker, we're on scene. We do have shots fired.
We'll make an entry from the east side, not pressing main.
"8:41 a.m., a time when most are starting their workday, grabbing their morning coffee, or dropping off their kids at school. But on this fateful day, the Louisville Metro police officers found themselves rushing towards a call that would test their courage and resilience.
Hold it. Hold it, cover for me. "113 Baker, we're making entry from the east side at Preston and Main."
The cameras start rolling. As our brave officers approach the bank, every viewer can feel the tension in the air. It's palpable, folks. And then, gunfire echoes, shattering the illusion of a peaceful morning.
Officer. God damn it!
We often talk about heroes wearing capes, but in these moments, our heroes wear badges. Among them was Officer Corey Galloway, a seasoned officer who knew the importance of strategy and timing. His body cam provides a first-hand, unfiltered view, positioning us right behind a stairway. This was the exact spot where rookie officer Nicholas Wilt, just 10 days into serving the community, took a grievous hit.
God damn it! The shooter has an angle on that officer. We need to get up there. I don't know where he's at. The glass is blocking him.
But this wasn't just an aimless act of violence. The perpetrator, 25-year-old Connor Sturgeon, wasn't an outsider. He was an employee of the Old National Bank. The investigation reveals a chilling backstory. Sturgeon, weaponizing the power of social media, broadcasted his actions live on Instagram. He coldly and with terrifying precision targeted his victims using his AR-15 rifle, a weapon he had legally acquired just days prior.
Down! Yeah, suspect down! Get the officer!
Hey, hold here! Hey, he's fired from inside here!
Huh?
He was fired from inside here!
I know! He's down! Get the officer!
I've been doing this for a while now, and every single time, the stories of the victims hit me right in the heart, especially when you learn about people like Tommy Elliott, a beacon in the community, a mentor to many, including Kentucky's very own governor. Elliott's loss leaves a void that words just cannot fill. Yet, amidst the sorrow and chaos, there's a glimmer of hope, unity, and resilience. The people of Louisville, shaken but unbowed, rally together. Mayor Craig Greenberg's decision to release this body cam footage emphasizes the power of transparency, especially in our darkest hours. Now, before we move forward, let's take a pause. Remember the names, remember the faces. Tommy Elliott, Josh Barrick, Jim Tutt, Juliana Farmer, and Dina Eckert. Let's honor them, their memories, their stories, and the love they shared with the world. Their legacy will forever echo in the heartbeats of Louisville. CopCam is here to offer a window, an unfiltered view into the realities our heroes face every day. The raw emotions, the relentless challenges, and the moments that change lives forever. As always, I invite you to reflect, discuss, and understand these situations. It's a complex world out there, and together, we can navigate it. I want to extend a heartfelt thank you to our growing CopCam community. Your engagement, your passion, and your quest for understanding make all the difference. If you haven't already and you value the depth and authenticity of our content, click on that subscribe button and ring the bell. Remember, there's always more to see, more to feel, and more to discuss right here. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep the dialogue going. Until next time,